Okay, first question. A chi-square test for independence was done to see whether the type of salad dressing people order at a restaurant and the type of meat they order are independent or dependent. That's funny, huh? Does the kind of salad dressing you like ranch or Italian or whatever, does that typically go with being with the type of meat? Like people that are getting chicken, they tend to get the oil. Like they're trying to be more healthy, and they get the oil on their like the Italian dressing on their salad. Whereas the people that are just going for the steak, they're also choosing the ranch dressing, because they're just whatever to the calories, I don't know. That's what they're testing. Are they independent or dependent? Do they affect each other or not, right? Dependent means they affect, and let's go, if the p-value was found to be 0.02, then at the 5% level, it can be concluded that they are dependent. Ooh, is that true or is that false? Well, what we have to remember, this is a test for independence, right? So let's go to the notes real quick and let's look at the test. You'll have these with you during the exam. Here's how you would do this question on the exam. You would have these notes, test for homogeneity or independence. Let me, oops, I went to the wrong thing here. Let me put it here for us. There it is. Okay. And oops. There we go. All right. So what does it say? HO independent, H1 dependent, right? So let's go write that down. So HO independent, H1 dependent, like that. Okay, and then what did the p-value come out to be? The p-value is 0.02. And what's the 5% level? That's the alpha, isn't it? 0.05, that's alpha. That's the level of significance. Okay, so you know our saying, if the p is low, the HO must go, meaning go away, huh? All right, so is this p-value, is it low? This one, yeah, that's less. 0.2 is less than 0.5, isn't it? So yeah, this p is low. So this null must go away, which means what? Reject the null. So I'm going to come up here, then I'm going to say bye-bye null, and instead I'm keeping H1. So then what's my conclusion? Dependent? Dressing type and meat are dependent? Yeah, exactly. Dependent, right? Because the p was low, reject the null, bye-bye null. I keep H1, dependent. That's correct.